wasn't that incredible? I was like, what is going on here? Who wakes up in the morning and is like, you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to do a late varial heel flip and then land cross-footed. Johnny Geiger does. That's who. And amazing filming by Mr. Darren Dyke from Beyond Slow Motion. You guys absolutely crushed it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So we have a very special thing for you because we want you guys to both skateboard and to make your own videos. So as part of this video right here, we are giving away a brand new complete skateboard and a GoPro Hero 5 kit, which has batteries, a 64 gigabyte SD card, and really everything you need to start making your own videos. All you have to do to enter is click that link in the description below, and then you guys can subscribe to Braille Skateboarding, Beyond Slow Motion, Johnny Geiger, and follow all three of us on Instagram. That gives every person 6 tickets, 6 chances to win in this giveaway. And yeah, I really hope that you guys get the skateboard, get the camera, love it, make some awesome skateboard videos, and show us what you got. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what videos you guys are going to make. Again, I hope you loved this video. A huge thanks to Johnny Geiger and Darren over at Beyond Slow Motion for making an incredible edit. If you guys want to see us do more of these, leave it in the comments below. This is a very different video than the ones we normally make, so I'm really curious to see what you guys thought about it. What did you like? Which trick was your favorite? Leave it in the comments below. Let's go. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, it is your time. Learn how to skateboard. Let's go, people.